reveal or something?
You check it out.
Let's see. Oh my god, dude.
Hey guys, Jordan Fix here, and today we're gonna transform the interior of this pace car from this to this.
We got the PaceCar last night, we brought it home. I'm gonna take out the wheels that are inside, empty the interior and put in new carpets, dash cover, and Josh is trying to sell me his Recaro confetti seats, so. First we gotta take out the seats.
We broke the curse, dude. 4th place. The video's not in last place.
It's on YouTube. It shows us the rank of our uploads and we've been in 10th place for each video. Finally not 10th place, man?
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Anyways, what's going on here?
Took out my seats. Look
Alright.
how filthy those carpets are. I need to B-roll it. Alright. Now, take out the center console. Frick. I'm gonna take out the dash. It's gonna suck. Gotta do what you gotta do. Let's go.
You're lucky you live with a 240 hoarder.
Almost there. We were just talking. Josh was like, dude, you have all of this. I was like, yeah, I got all of that. I don't have this.
I got you, boy.
Sick.
Now we just need to spray it black.
I'm gonna spray my whole interior black, guys.
He's gonna do the cheap tint job and spray paint the windows black. Is it time lapse?
Yeah. I need a screwdriver.
Have these and I need.
Issues. These things are stripped. Can't take them out. I don't know what to do. Frick. I don't want to break them. This one came out fine. So, the solution. I got the Hot Boy shift knob. Freaking katana, guys. It fits perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Alright, dash cover. Hide those.
Brand new.
Brand new. Sick, bro. My favorite part of the car for now. Got some brand new black carpets. Let's go install it. Since the center console will cover the carpet anyways, I'm thinking of just cutting this line straight down the middle.
Don't cut more.
I measured 3.5 feet. This is like 2 feet.
Yeah, measure again.
I should really take out all these things first. Pretty solid. It's clean. I just gotta cut the excess. A lot of excess around here. Cut some holes out. That should be good. Since my carpets are black, I decided to paint the interior, all the panels black too. I'm gonna buy some Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint at AutoZone or something. Got all the panels out. You're taking Mama's car?
I guess that's the plan.
I'm gonna go buy some paint and gonna rent an extractor vacuum from Home Depot. We're at Walmart. Gonna get some oil for my car and Plasti Dip for Josh's FD.
Like, what are you plasti dipping? Don't worry, I'm not plasti dipping the car. I'm just touching up some interior pieces. Use Plasti Dip when you're doing that stuff, because if it turns out bad, you just rip it off. But they don't even have Plasti Dip.
It should be a spray paint. This isn't a spray paint.
That's for Plasti Dip. The last can. Good eye, Jordan. We're on, boys.
No, I don't want
Fine.
that one anymore.
I don't want it either then if you don't want it. I only wanted it if you want it.
Home Depot. Dude, it's too dirty, the windshield, I can't B-roll.
Dude, the lady in there, I was like, hey, do you guys have vinyl spray? She's like, well, we have spray paint and it has primer in it. So it'll work. Like, primer's gonna help me paint fabric? Thank you. Thank you for the help, ma'am.
Very helpful.
Very helpful. Don't get the fault. It's a flat black.
They're both the same. I saw it on YouTube, bro.
I'm gonna spray mine.
You are? Your seats? Freaking copycat.
You bought a 240. Who's the copycat? Oh, just getting some new parts for the Corvette. I got the head scoop, side vents, and the dice with the diamonds. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. And then this guy.
Got everything.
I think.
It's nighttime, so we'll be doing this tomorrow. Yeah, just day 2. We're gonna clean the seats, do this extractor vacuum that I rented from Home Depot yesterday. So, as you can see, they're super dirty. I'm gonna scrub just to loosen up the dirt and then vacuum it. I got this thing, Turtle Wax Interior 1 multi-purpose cleaner. I'm just gonna clean it first with this before I do the extractor vacuum. Got some Duplicolor vinyl and fabric spray paint. looked earlier, but now they're black. Looks good to me. Josh, on the other hand,
Still looking dark gray.
he bought the matte versions. I bought the gloss.
I didn't think you would want to gloss black your seats. I'm just spraying over leaves and dirt.
I'm gonna wait for my seats to dry first. They're still wet. Yep, still wet. All done. Panels. I just gotta clean these and put everything back in there. Let's go. Alright, we got everything in here. Haven't fixed up the carpet yet, but making the holes right now. My quick release for the steering wheel just arrived, so I'm gonna take out the steering wheel and install that one. We're good. The horn works. Dude, the interior's done.
Reveal or something?
Check it out.
Let's see. Oh my god, dude. So good. Holy crap, Jordan.